it's me, Code Crafter. It is my first video ever in this channel. Today, I will talk about load and save information in Scratch. Basically, it's really easy and you can follow it. So enjoy! Now, first, we'll make two variables called score and health. Yeah. And we'll go to costumes too and delete scratch. Next, we'll make a button. You can customize them. I'll make this black, and this is save. Move it here, yeah. Like 0, and let's call this right save. Now, let's set up our score and health variable. So let's set this to pick random 1 to 1000 for test. Yeah, so now you can see it's, oh sorry, I need to change this. Now you can see this is changing whenever I click green flag. Next, you need to drag forever loop and an if else, a touching mouse pointer, another if, and a mouse down, yeah. So this basically means when we hover, we touch the mouse pointer into the save button, and if we mouse down, that means we click it. So it will first ask, and will ask the user choose your password. Then we'll create another variable called password. This will control the password the user chooses. So we'll set the password to the answer, whatever the user says. Yeah. And then we'll add a list to easy tracks the save and load code. We'll name it SAVECODE. So if the save code, the list save code, it contains password, then I think that will say like you already have the same password. Oh, and sorry, this needs to be if else. So if the save codes don't contain a password, then we'll add some things to it. We'll add the password into the save code, and we can also add two values that we created. First, we'll add health and score. Now that's finished. But I think that we need to put a wait until not mouse down, so it don't overlap too much. And we'll put it right here. Yeah. And now we should have a great password. Let's see. We choose our password. I choose 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this is the password that we choose. This is the health, and this is the score. So it's working all right. Now moving to the load, we just simply duplicate and delete our codes. Move it right here. load. We'll name this load 2. Yeah. And we'll do like this. When this part is clicked, then we'll ask the user what's the password. And if not, um, where is it? Oh yeah, SAVECODE contains the answer. Like if the player enters the wrong password, then we'll say something like "you scammer," like that, I guess. And else, if the player writes the right password, then we'll set their score to item this and another an item I of let's say password in save code, and we'll +1. Yeah, +1 like this. We will set the health and wrong. Set the health to this, and we'll set the score to +2. Why we do that? So the item of the password in save code is item 1, and when we +1, so it's item 2, and we'll say item 2 of the save code, it's A3. Same with the score variable. So yeah, that's basically it. We'll try it. But first, I think that we should delete out. Yeah, and this is the score and the health. You save it. Choose it a password. 1875, I guess. Yeah, then we load it. We type 1876. It's wrong. And we said use scammer. We type 1875. Then yeah, it's right. So that's basically it. So thank you for listening to me. I know it's pretty long, but it's non-hackable, I think.